I'm making orange beef today. I've got OJ, minced garlic, soy sauce, honey, and sesame oil, and some choice round bulgogi meat. You can use any thin sliced meat. I'm adding about 1 pound of the meat to the bowl. We'll just break it up a little bit. The meat I'm using is a thin slice cut, and it is kind of bigger, so I'm gonna cut this with scissors. Next up, we're just going to be adding all the rest of the ingredients. Got a half cup of OJ, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey, well, that's embarrassing. Okay, drizzle of sesame oil. Let's say about 1 teaspoon, and a bit of black pepper. I'm gonna mix this up. Now, if you had lime juice or cilantro, that would taste amazing in this marinade, but unfortunately I do not have it. So I've marinated about 15 minutes. Unfortunately, we are hungry now, so I'm going to cook it now. I'm going to add this to my heated pan. I like to add frozen broccoli. If you have fresh broccoli, of course you can add that, but it just makes it easier. I'm just going to add that. Add however much you want. So it's pretty good. I think you could use a tad bit more orange flavor, probably because it didn't have much time to marinate. So I'm just going to add a little bit more orange juice to the next batch that I cook up. I'm adding a bit more orange juice straight in. Add the broccoli to this batch. Just separating the pieces as I go. I'm just going to add the first batch to mix it up since I did add more orange juice. I'm going to taste the piece again. That's just right. Look how nice that looks. Okay, we're pretty much done, so I'm just going to add this to my bowl with rice. Also gonna add some of that juice on there. There we go. Okay, y'all, this was an easy orange beef recipe. It was inspired by a Kikkoman recipe. I'll link that recipe down in the description below. So if you try this out, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.